Okay, I'm taking a risk. I'm using gardenia from Midwest Fragrance, which does accelerate. So I'm trying to just mix the fragrance in real quick, get it in, and be able to do a drop swirl before it sets up. I've used this before and I've been able to do this. I'm hoping that it continues. And I can do the same. I'm just mixing my fragrance in right now, just stirring it in by hand so that the stick blender doesn't accelerate it. And then I have succulent flowers that I'm just going to decorate on top. Again, I'm working with a fragrance here that accelerates, so certain things have to be kept simple. And one of those is the interior design. Like I said, I have worked with this before and had success with just mixing it in by hand and having time to do everything. So far it's holding true. Let's hope it continues. Starting to get thicker. The bright side is it should hold my embeds without any problem. They shouldn't sink down. Okay. I'm just going to go ahead and start placing these. The succulents. That one's better. I lost a bead that went all the way into the soap. I'm actually glad I added these little pearls. Even though I was so done yesterday, I was just exhausted. Nothing, wow, that one has a lot of color. Nothing was going right. But I was like, no, I'm going to sit down and make these real quick. Well, not real quick, because they do take a little bit of time to make. So some have a lot more color, some don't. But I like them. I think it just adds a little something. So that one's not bad. I like that one. They're all different. That's one of the things I love about swirls. Nothing ends up the same. No two bars. And you couldn't replicate it if you tried. Yeah. So there you have it. My succulent soap, scented in gardenia, because one, I haven't found a succulent scent, and two, gardenia is really popular, and 3, I felt like it. So yeah, let me know what you think.